Hello, dear aquarist and dear betta lover. Yes, betta fish are very popular in the aquarium hobby, and that's why I can present sometimes a case of a disease or a problem with a betta fighting fish. And today it's about a male betta that was suffering because of poor conditions it was kept. So maybe a lesson for you also when you deal with bettas, import or trade bettas, how better your care should be, but also for the hobbyist, when water quality is bad, that it can have an impact on the health of your betta. So I will share you my PowerPoint because I did microscopic examination on a betta male black dragon that had a bacterial infection due to poor water conditions. My books on fish diseases also talk about bettas, particularly the new illustrated guide is the big book with 1,000 photographs, is available in English, French and Dutch. Still now, the practical guide is available in 8 different languages. See the link below where you can order them. Betta Male Black Dragon, see the damaged fins. Whoa, that looked very bad, very badly damaged. Well, if that's not aggression, that might have been a bacteria, aggressive bacteria, attacking this skinny fish in a dirty bowl. And here we can see another black dragon male, which was kept in cleaner water. You can see the conditions of the little bowl they were kept in for a couple of days. And here on the right, you see the dirt. On the bottom, you see the dirty, cloudy water and the damaged or sick male betta. The tail and the fins, of course, fin and tail rot. You can see here the damaged fish and you can fins, and you could still see the cluster of bacteria. So here we take a photograph and you can see the massive amount of bacteria that has an impact on the body and on the skin of the betta. And here we have a video later on, well, because first I will show you the photograph that we also found algae on top of the skin, the body, and that has an impact on the health. Should not be having so much debris in the water like algae that the fish is getting into polluted water. It has an impact on the health of the fish. And you can see all the tiny black spots here. Those are bacteria, and I show it in a video here. You can see those tiny black spots moving. Those are all little tiny bacteria. You can see the few algae here also, and also more dirt in the water, and also I think certainly non-pathogenic bacteria, just polluting bacteria, having an impact on the skin and the gills of the fish. Look how stressed the gills are. Reddish gills. That means it's like our lungs of human mankind full of dust. What do you think happens? This will become stressed. This problem also then goes further inside the fish, that the spleen on the left and the liver on the right become infected. Also a risk of bacterial infection. And we could even see here a few small tubercles already here in the liver appearing. And that spleen is in very poor condition. This is not a healthy spleen. So the betta treatment, first of all, look at improving the water conditions because that causes stress. The fish gets more lack of immunity and of course a risk for a disease, and most of the cases then it's a bacterial infection. So improve the conditions, improve the water quality, apply antibacterial treatment, ask your fish doctor or go to your pet shop and ask for details. And at the same time, bettas can be held with a functional fish food to fight off such infection and to help restore immunity. And bettas like Dr. Bassleer Buyer's Food Cavar. This is very attractive for bettas, a high palatability. And also we have the Forte, which is a stimulant for the immune system. So food can help in combination with an antibacterial treatment, but certainly good water conditions. Please do something about it when you keep them in a bowl as wholesaler or as pet shop. My books help you to understand fish diseases, prevention, diagnosis, and how to apply treatments. My training, fish doctoring, different opportunities are created in courses I present on my Patreon when you want to advance in the knowledge of fish diseases. So I hope this video on this betta help you to understand what poor water conditions can do to the health of a fish. Not only betta in a bowl, but also in your aquarium. Poor water quality is a big problem for many. If you don't take care, your fish will suffer. Think about it. You're responsible to give the best water to your fish. Subscribe to learn more. Thank you for watching.